Namaste, I'm Sudeep, and this video is about hair fall and how we can prevent hair fall from happening and ensure that our hair growth is good, our hair roots are strong. So, first of all, I want to bust the myth that any one product or shampoo or hair oil can prevent this from happening. It's not possible. Anybody making such claims is saying a complete lie. For having good skin and hair, you need to follow a routine. So today we'll be discussing the routine for hair care. The first and foremost thing for a good crop of hair is good sleep. You have to ensure 8 to 9 hours of sleep on a daily basis. If you don't do that, your skin and hair will not be in the best possible situation. So 8 to 9 hours of good sleep. In case you can't manage it during the weekdays, do it on the weekends. Sleep a little extra on the weekends, but you have to do this. The second thing is you have to wash your hair with a sulfate-free cleanser and not more than once or twice a week. In summers, I recommend washing your hair twice a week, and in winters, not more than once a week. Hair oiling is mandatory once a week. That has to be done. Coconut oil in summers and mustard or sesame oil in winters. For hair conditioning, use either aloe vera gel or you can condition with apple cider vinegar in water. That can be the last fix. Then after that, you can use a protein-based hair pack. Our skin and hair is made up of protein, so protein packs are very good. Lentils are excellent for skin as well as hair. And for hair, the lentil that makes the most impact is moong dal, whole moong dal. So green moong dal, get it powdered, add that to amla, shikakai, rita, hibiscus, any other herb of choice. Make a paste with aloe vera gel and curd and apply that on your hair. Keep it for an hour or so and then wash off. Do this once or twice a month. It's really good. Then in terms of bedtime ritual, spritz your scalp with rosemary and peppermint hydrosol daily at bedtime. Give your scalp a massage daily at bedtime after spritzing these hydrosols. Once a week, spritz fermented rice water on your scalp. Again, a very miraculous liquid. Then apart from that, use a neem comb. Do not use plastic combs on your hair. You must comb your hair at least 100 or so times on a daily basis. And do not go in for any toxic hair treatments like hair straightening, keratin treatment, perming the hair. Please avoid getting that done. Hair dryers and hair straightening, all of these things have to be avoided at all costs. This is the routine you have to do. These are the general guidelines you have to follow. In terms of diet, please ensure that there is a lot of protein in your diet. That's imperative. You must have protein daily in your diet. It can be in the form of tofu, sprouts, lentils, but it has to be there. So do follow these guidelines and do share your results with me. Give yourself a month to see visible changes, and definitely I guarantee results if you follow all these things. So that's it from me for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.